Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Xiaomi 50W Vertical Air-Cooled Wireless Charger Pro is one of the best wireless charger I have never seen, charging on the go, 100% charge in 36 minutes, compatible with Xiaomi 50W and below 50W mobile phones that support wireless fast charging. Xiaomi 13 Pro can be charged to 100% in 36 minutes at the fastest optimal tilt angle. Everything you need to know at a glance. Compact, simple ergonomic design enables you to charge while viewing all your messages and notifications. Built-in silent cooling fan, perfect for desks or bedsides. Minimal noise, built-in silent fan. New air duct design actively dissipate heat to keep your phone cool. 6-fold intelligent protection mechanism, layered protection, more secure, ideal viewing angle. Take a look at the information. The viewing angle is just right, with high voltage input and fast charging mode. Provide overvoltage protection, overcurrent protection, over temperature protection, undervoltage protection, foreign body detection, electrostatic protection. Low wireless charging frequency, internal addition of the magnetic isolation sheet, no harm to human health. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.